A very warm and pleasant good morning to you all, my dear students. Today I am here to teach you English literature, but not the new chapter because we already finished our first semester syllabus. So from today we will start to revision this chapter. So let's get start today's lesson. My dear students, as you know, I will discuss about the summary of every chapter on your English literature book and I will give you the answers in PDF format in Parents Alarm website. But in this revision session, I will recite the poem and after that I will discuss with you the answers once again. One thing more, I want to tell you that after this every session, I will give you some worksheet and you have to solve this worksheet from own and without any help. You should write down this solved worksheet in your copy and after reopening the school, I will check all the given classwork and homework. So children keep learning and follow your online classes. How do you like to go up in a swing? Up in the air, so blue? Oh, I do think it the pleasantest thing ever a child can do. Up in the air and over the world, till I can see so wide, rivers and trees and cattle and all over the countryside. Till I look down on the garden green, down on the roof, so brown, up in the air I go flying again, up in the air and down, by Robert Louis Stevenson. So the poet is Robert Louis Stevenson. Let's get read the words to know. Pleasantest, that is most enjoyable. Which is most enjoyable? That is pleasantest. Next, cattle, a group of animals like cows and buffaloes. Where you see any group of cows or any animals like buffaloes, cows, that is cattle. Next, roof, the top of a building. The top of a building like any building's top is called roof. Then we go start to read the understanding the text. Tick the correct answers. Going up on a swing is the dash thing for a child. That is pleasantest. Going up on a swing is the pleasantest thing for a child. Next, up on the swing, the child looks down and sees dash. Up on the swing, the child looks down and sees green garden. Next, write T for true and A for false. The child can see mountains. But my dear students, in this poem, never the child see the mountains. So it is false. So you have to write here false or F. Next, the child does not like to be on the swing. But in this poem, already mentioned that the child is like to swinging. So, the child does not like to swing. It is false. Next, the child can see busy streets. But here, nothing is mentioned that about street. So, this one also false. Next, answer the following questions. First question is, what is the pleasantest thing that a child can do? My dear students, as you know, the poem is in about swing. The poem's name is Swing and the child is all time like to do swinging. So the answer is swinging is the pleasantest thing that a child can do. Next question, where does the swing take the child? Where does the swing take the child? The child wants to take the swing up in the air. The child wants to take the swing up in the air. Name 3 things that the child can see. Here we should write these 3 things that the child can see. The 3 things that the child saw were rivers, trees and cattle. Rivers, trees and cattle. How is the roof and garden? How is the roof and garden? The roof is so brown and the garden is green. The roof is so brown and the garden is green. Where do you think the child is swinging? Where do you think the child is swinging? The child is swinging under the tree. The child is swinging under the tree. Next, my dear students, here playing with words. Here you have to circle the correct spelling of the words from the poem. So the poem name is Swing. Here we have to write which is correct spelling of the swing. S-V-I-N-G, swing, or S-W-I-N-G, swing. My dear student, it is the correct answer. Next, it is 2 number blue. B-L-U-E, blue, or B-L-U. Yes, I know you, all of you know that it is the correct answer. B-L-U-E, blue. 3rd number, rivers. R-I-W-E-R-S, rivers, or rivers. R-I-V-E-R-S, rivers. Yes, I know it is the correct answer. Correct spelling. Next, cattle. C-A-T-T-E-L, kettle, or C-A-T-T-L-E, cattle. Yes, my dear students, cattle. C-A-T-T-L-E, cattle. Cattle means a group of animals like cows and buffaloes. Next, green. G-R-E-N, green, or G-R-E-E-N, green. Yes, it is the correct spelling. Next, my dear students, find the names of 5 things mentioned in the poem. You can use the given clues. We have to do this. He mentioned we have to choose the 5 things from the poem which is mentioned in the poem, and we have some clues. That is, first one, to move back and forth. Which is move back and forth? Swing. Yes, it is the correct answer. Swing. Next, 2 number, a young boy or girl. A young boy or girl, that means child. So, it is the correct answer. Child. C-H-I-L-D, child. The top of a building. The top of a building, it is roof. I tell you before some time that is a top of a building, that is roof. Next, a flowing body of flower. A flowing body of flower. Sorry, my dear students. A flowing body of water. It is a flowing body of water. That is river. Flowing body of water means river. Next, a place where flowers grow. Where the flowers grow? That is garden. Hope, my dear students, all of you understood the poem and this understanding the text. So I will give you some worksheet. Hope you will follow the worksheet and solve. Solve this worksheet and write down in your classwork copy. Bye bye students. Keep learning and keep watching your online classes.